July 8th.
This ends here and now!
Thor: Love and Thunder. Only in theaters July 8th. On July 8th.
I promise to destroy your world.
The summer of love
Today, we'll fight!
and thunder begins.
That may or may not be catastrophic to the whole universe.
Thor: Love and Thunder. On July 8th.
Get the popcorn now.
It's the summer of love and thunder.
Two Thors.
Yeah, it's a lot.
That was impressive, what you did back there.
Thor: Love and Thunder. In theaters July 8th. On July 8th.
And putting together the greatest team ever. Korg, Valkyrie, the Guardians, and Jay.
Call me the Mighty Thor.
And Space Scope. They scream quite a lot.
They'll be fine.
Thor: Love and Thunder. Tickets on sale now.